Hey everyone, thanks for joining me once again. I'm Champagne S3. Today we're going to be talking about how you can switch your front emblem on your Audi A3, S3, and RS3 from looking like something like this to looking like this. What you guys are going to need to buy is a front emblem, 273 millimeters in size, flathead screwdriver. The thinner the tip, the better. Trim piece tools. Now, if you guys don't have this, I'm going to link down below in the description. It is very useful to have these laying around. You're going to find that you use this more often than you think. Let's get into the video, and guys, welcome to another episode of QuickFix. So let's get into that video right now. So I thought I'd show you guys how to install this front emblem using a spare grill that I have. Now if we flip to the back, you can see exactly how this emblem is held in place. There are pegs at the top, bottom, and left and right side that are holding this together to the grill. Now use that as a reference point for your flathead screwdriver to go in between the pegs. Rather than hitting it at the top, I recommend prying from the bottom with the flathead. Just in case you mar up the emblem, the bottom is less likely to be seen than the top. All you need to do is get that edge up a little bit, then use your prying tool to do the rest of the work. Don't be afraid to switch back and forth if you need to, but you want to focus on using your prying tool to do most of the job to avoid any damage to the emblem. Now once you get that side up, use your prying tool to lift up the remaining tabs, going in between the tabs and pushing the emblem up. Now when it's all free, the emblem comes off quite easily, as you can see, and there are no broken tabs in my case here. So you can use a flathead screwdriver like most people do, but I use the prying tool to avoid any damage. The last step is installing your new emblem. You're going to want to make sure that you line up your tabs with the holes and work in either the top tabs first or the bottom, and then putting in the rest afterwards. Take your time pushing the tabs in, guys, as they can be a little bit fragile. Just take your time with this last step and you'll be good to go. This is how it looks, and hope you enjoy your new emblem. So that about wraps up another video. I'm hoping this video, guys, gives you the confidence to try tackling this install on your own with a few simple tools you may have laying around at home. Now guys, if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, consider subscribing to the channel. Check out my next video. We're going to be matching the fronts with the back and installing this rear emblem onto my S3. So until then, and as always, thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.